Hello everybody, and welcome to Ancient Architects. Please subscribe now to get the latest ancient history news and independent research from around the world. Archaeologists have uncovered evidence of the use of the hallucinogenic drug DMT and cocaine by ancient Bolivians around 1000 years ago, according to a new paper published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. The researchers were searching inside rock shelters of the now dry Sora River valley in southwestern Bolivia, where they stumbled across a ritual bundle bound in a leather bag as part of a human burial. Inside the bag were 2 wooden snuffing tablets decorated with anthropomorphic figures, which were used to pulverise psychotropic plants into snuff. Also discovered was a snuffing tube with 2 human hair braids attached to it, used for smoking hallucinogenic plants, 2 bone spatulas, a colourful woven headband, 2 small pieces of dried plant material attached to wool and fibre strings, and a pouch that was made from the snouts of 3 foxes. Talking to the press, Dr. Jose Capriles said, "We already know that psychotropics are important in the spiritual and religious activities of the societies of the South Central Andes, but we did not know that these people were using so many different compounds and possibly combining them together." He continued, "This is the largest number of psychoactive substances ever found in a single archaeological assemblage from South America." The leather pouch was radiocarbon dated and was found to date between 905 and 1170 AD, and at this time we saw the disintegration of the Tiwanaku state and the emergence of the Inca. No similar bundle has ever been discovered, and the snuff container that was made from the fox snouts is particularly rare and therefore significant. Scrapings were taken from the fox snout pouch for analysis, and multiple psychoactive compounds were discovered, including cocaine and DMT, as well as a compound found in magic mushrooms. These substances could have been used independently or together to induce hallucinations or altered consciousness. The finds leave Dr. Capriles to believe the bundle was likely to have belonged to a shaman, a ritual specialist who had knowledge of plants and how to use them to engage with supernatural beings. Experts believe they may have been used to try and connect with the ancestors. Dr. Capriles said the findings of DMT and harmine, the primary ingredients of ayahuasca, a drink to induce hallucinations and altered consciousness, means it is highly likely that the shaman brewed this drink. He said, "Some scholars believe that ayahuasca has relatively recent origins, whilst others argue it may have been used for centuries or even millennia. This find may well be evidence for the earliest use of ayahuasca." The shaman clearly had intricate botanical knowledge, as the plants came from different regions of South America. He could have potentially been using 5 different types of plants, and interestingly, none grow in the area where the bundle was discovered. Thank you very much for watching this news update from Ancient Architects. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, please like the video, and please leave a comment below. Thank you very much.